Wait a minute, don't skip this because if you're listening now, it's no accident. The universe has a secret message for you and only a few choose to know. Is that you? There are 3 zodiac signs who will suddenly receive a call or message about money and it's not from where you expected. One notification, one call and the course of your life can change. But be warned, if you leave right away, you'll miss the most important sign. Watch until the end because I'll finally admit why the universe chose you and what you should do when the message arrives. If you're here right now and watching this video, the universe has a reason. You didn't just stumble upon this. There are energies in motion, and at this moment there's a message that fate wants to convey to you. Not everyone will receive a call or message about money, but some have been chosen. And if you're listening now, you could be one of them. In this video, we'll talk about 3 zodiac signs who have luck and opportunity aligned. One simple call, one message. But there is a deep meaning behind it. Listen carefully. Don't rush because sometimes the answer you are waiting for comes in a form you don't expect. The question now is, are you ready to accept the blessing that is coming? There are moments in life when everything is quiet, but behind it there is a strong movement of the universe. If you feel like you have been waiting for a long time, waiting for an answer, help, or a clear direction, that feeling is not a coincidence. The universe does not speak in the way we expect. Sometimes it does not come in a dream or a sign in the sky, but in a call or message that suddenly appears. And in that moment it brings change. Many have gone through hardship, doubt, and fatigue. Many have asked when they will be given the opportunity. If you are one of them, listen to this. The universe sees your perseverance. There is no wasted waiting. At this moment, the energy of money, luck, and right timing is taking over for some paying zodiac signs. Not everyone will experience this because not everyone is ready. So stay tuned, listen to the end because what you hear next may explain why you are here and why you are about to receive a message that will change the direction of your life. For Taurus, this message is unusual. You have long been known as hardworking, patient, and always prioritize security. But in truth, you have harbored a lot of fatigue and silent fears, especially when it comes to money. You may not tell others this, but the universe knows what you are going through. During this time, a sudden call or message is coming for you. It is not just a simple hello. It could be an offer, news, an opportunity directly related to money. It could be from someone you haven't spoken to in a while or from a source you thought was over. For Taurus, money comes when you are ready to receive, not when you force it. And now, your energy is aligned with the right timing. If you have been waiting for a break for a long time, now is that moment. But the universe has a reminder: don't be afraid of change. When a call or message comes, listen carefully before making a decision. Don't rush, but don't close the door too quickly either. This opportunity is the result of sacrifices you've made in the past. Even if you feel like no one is paying attention. For some of you, it could be a debt that is being paid back, a job that suddenly offers extra income, or news that will ease your financial burden. Whatever form it takes, remember this. You deserve to receive a blessing. In this moment, repeat to yourself, I am ready to receive the money and opportunities that the universe has set for me. Stay tuned because the next zodiac sign may be even more surprised by the message coming for Scorpios. This message is deep and sensitive. You are known for being quiet but have a strong intuition. You often feel what is going to happen before it happens. And lately you have had a feeling that something is coming, especially when it comes to money. You are right. The universe is preparing a call or message with information that will wake you up. It could be about a job, business, commission, or money that you thought would never come. For Scorpio, blessings often come after great trials and you have been through a lot. The message may come when you are not ready. It is just a simple notification, but it has a heavy meaning. Do not ignore it because it is the answer to questions that you have been asking without saying anything. But the universe has a warning for you, Scorpio. Do not let fear or doubt take the lead. You have a habit of closing down when you have been hurt or disappointed in the past. But this time, you need to open yourself up again, not to everyone but to the right opportunity. For some of you, this could be news of increased income, a refund, an inheritance, or a secret opportunity that many do not know about. Money will come, but the real test is how you accept it. The universe reminds you. You are not being punished for what happened in the past. You are just being prepared. Tell yourself now, I choose to trust the blessings that are coming into my life. Don't leave. Because the last zodiac sign has the strongest and most sudden message about money. For the lucky one, this message is strong, direct, and you can't avoid it. You were born to lead. But lately, you may have felt like you're always the one giving, but you're the one getting drained, especially when it comes to money. If you've been feeling the weight of responsibility and silent worry, the universe has heard it. A sudden call or message is coming for you, Leo. And it's no small thing. It could be from a powerful person, a former connection, or an opportunity you once thought was impossible. This message will come when you're almost giving up, because that's where you're truly ready. Leo's strength is in courage, but sometimes you're afraid to ask or receive. The universe's reminder that you're not weak to receive blessings. You worked hard for it. You deserve it. For some of you, the call or message has to do with a promotion, big project, business deal, or big financial aid. The decision you make after this will change the direction of your life. So listen to your intuition, not the noise of fear. Once the message comes, stay calm. Don't let excitement dictate your response. Remember, real power lies in a clear mind. Now, say this to yourself. I accept the money, opportunity, and success that the universe has set for me. Stay tuned, because next time you will know what to do when the call or message comes. When the call or message about money comes, don't panic. Your first reaction is important because it measures whether you are truly ready. The universe does not give blessings to upset you. It gives them to lift you up. First, take a deep breath. Don't say yes right away, and don't say no right away. No matter how exciting or surprising it may be, your mind must be clear. The right decision comes when the heart is quiet. Second, listen to the whole message. Sometimes the important details are between the words. Don't ignore your intuition, because it is the voice of the universe guiding you. Third, be grateful even if it's just in your mind. Gratitude opens up more blessings. When you choose to trust, more opportunities flow. And finally, believe in yourself. If this has come into your life, there is a reason. It is not a mistake. It is not luck. It is an answer to all your prayers and patience. Remember this. When you are ready, what is for you will come of its own accord. Stay, because ultimately the universe has a message to remind you. At this point, the universe wants you to stop for a moment and listen to yourself. If there is a strange feeling in your chest right now, don't ignore it. That is a sign that there is energy moving for you. Money is not just a number. It is a flow of trust, courage, and belief. And now, the universe invites you to open yourself to acceptance. You don't need to prove yourself to anyone. Destiny knows how much you have endured. Repeat this in your heart. I am ready to receive the blessings, money, and opportunities that are meant for me. If you are a Taurus, Scorpio, or Leo, this message is no accident. But no matter what zodiac sign you are, if you feel the connection, you may be the one the universe is calling. Now, write it in the comments. I claim it. Not to prove to others, but to declare to yourself that you are ready. Like the video if you felt the message, share it with someone who needs hope, and subscribe to Universe Secrets, because the universe has many more secrets waiting for you. Before you leave, the universe has an important reminder for you. Not everyone who watches this video will make it to the end. But you are still here. And there is a reason for that. If you feel the message, don't ignore it. Energy moves when it is acknowledged. So now, take this small but powerful step. Type it in the comments. I am ready to receive. These are not simple words. This is an invitation to grace. And if you know someone who is going through hardship, tiredness, or waiting, share this video. Sometimes you become the instrument of the universe for others. Stay connected to Universe Secrets, because each video carries a message that may come at the right time. Remember, what is for you will never pass you by.